Hi guys, I'm Ned Michelle. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY video showing you how I make a hot chai tea latte, so stay tuned. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need is chai tea. I use the Twinings French vanilla. I use 2 bags of those. I use the skinny syrup caramel, almond milk, ground cinnamon, and I use coconut whipped cream as an alternative to foaming the milk. Okay, so you're going to need some boiling hot water to let the tea bag steep for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they're done steeping, you take the tea bags out and then you proceed with the process of adding all of those ingredients that I mentioned earlier. So I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Then I'm going to stir that up. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the caramel. And then you can add cinnamon at this point. Sometimes I add it, other times I don't. So today I didn't add the cinnamon. And now I'm just going to add the whipped cream. And I use the whipped cream as an alternative to foaming the milk, because once you let it sit for maybe a minute or two, it literally turns into foam. And then I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of ground cinnamon, and now we have my chai tea latte. Let me know if you tried this before. Let me know if you like videos like this, and let's chat in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.